Welcome to Google I/O. It's a beautiful day, I think warmer than last year. Another example of one of our core products, which we are redesigning with AI, is Gmail. We are bringing another feature to Gmail. We call it Smart Compose. So as the name suggests, we use machine learning to start suggesting phrases for you as you type. Another product, which we built from the ground up using AI, is Google Photos. So we want to use AI to help in those moments. So we are bringing a new feature called Suggested Actions. So we've worked hard with WaveNet, and we are adding, as of today, 6 new voices to the Google Assistant.
Now you won't have to say, "Hey, Google," every time. Check this out. "Hey, Google, did the Warriors win?"
Yes, the Warriors won 118-92 last Sunday against the Pelicans.
Nice.
Hey, Google, tell me about Camila Cabello.
According to Wikipedia, Carla Camila Cabello Estrabao is an American singer and songwriter.
So as you can see, we're taking full advantage of the screen to give you a rich and immersive response. But my ideal assistant should also be able to help in a proactive way. So when I'm in the assistant now and swipe up, I now get a visual snapshot of my day. I see helpful suggestions based on the time, my location, and even my recent interactions with the assistant.
We've been working on this technology for many years. It's called Google Duplex. It brings together all our investments over the years in natural language understanding, deep learning, text-to-speech. Apps can also help. YouTube is going to take the lead, and if you choose to do so, it'll actually remind you to take a break. So for example, if you've been watching YouTube for a while, maybe it'll show up and say, "Hey, it's time to take a break." One of my favorite features is Dashboard. In Android, we're actually going to give you full visibility into how you're spending your time. The apps where you're spending your time, the number of times you unlocked your phone on a given day, the number of notifications you got, and we're going to really help you deal with this better.
If you turn your phone over on the table, it automatically enters Do Not Disturb, so you can focus on being present. No pings, vibrations, or other distractions. So we created Wind Down Mode. You can tell the Google Assistant what time you aim to go to bed, and when that time arrives, it will switch on Do Not Disturb and fade the screen to grayscale, which is far less stimulating for the brain and can help you set the phone down. Well, today, we're announcing Android P Beta. And with efforts in Android Oreo to make OS upgrades easier, Android P Beta is available on Google Pixel and 7 more manufacturer flagship devices today.
With Android P, we partnered with DeepMind to work on a new feature we call Adaptive Battery. It's designed to give you a more consistent battery experience. Adaptive Battery uses on-device machine learning to figure out which apps you'll use in the next few hours and which you won't use until later, if at all, today. Even more powerful is bringing part of the app UI to the user right there and then. We call this feature Slices. Slices are a new API for developers to define interactive snippets of their app UI that can be surfaced in different places in the OS. In Android P, we're laying the groundwork by showing Slices first in search. And you'll find these improvements on any device that adopts Google's version of the Android UI, such as Google Pixel and Android One devices.
We've been making maps smarter and more detailed as advancements in AI have accelerated.
Our teams have been working really hard to combine the power of the camera, the computer vision, with Street View and maps to reimagine walking navigation. You open the camera, you instantly know where you are. No futzing with the phone. You can start to see nearby places, so you see what's around you. And just for fun, our team's been playing with an idea of adding a helpful guide, like that there. But we think the camera can also help you do more with what you see. That's why we started working on Google Lens. Lens can now recognize and understand words. So you can do things like copy and paste from the real world directly into your phone. Okay, the next feature I want to talk about is called Style Match. You're at your friend's place, you check out this trendy-looking lamp, and you want to know things that match that style. And now Lens can help you.
We are using AI to bring forward the best of what journalism has to offer. We want to give users quality sources that they trust, but we want to build a product that works for publishers.
As soon as I open Google News, right at the top, I get a briefing with the top 5 stories I need to know right now. As I move past my briefing, there are more stories selected just for me. It gives a complete picture of a story in terms of how it's being reported from a variety of sources and in a variety of formats. We apply this to the deluge of information published to the web at any given moment and then organize it around storylines, all in real time. This is by far the most powerful feature of the app and provides a whole new way to dig into the news.